Good reasons why QuickCashToGo.com is the best choice for payday loans. When we find ourselves short on cash, there are a few options we can consider. One is borrowing from friends or family, but what appears to be a simple friendly transaction always has a chance of going awry, especially if repayment doesn't stay on schedule. Another option is selling something we own or take a second job. It's possible to sell a few personal items online or make a couple hundred delivering pizza, but that's not always practical. Often the cash need is more immediate and needs to be dealt with long before we can get a job. QuickCashToGo.com is the fastest, most elegant answer to some of life's little problems. Speed is why QuickCashToGo.com can't be beat. Often when the need for cash strikes, it happens hard and fast and there's no time to waste. If you go the traditional loan route, you probably won't even get to meet with a loan officer in an hour, much less have the funds transferred to your account. If your specific situation calls for cash in hand as soon as possible, QuickCashToGo.com is the way to go. There's no other lender who can provide cash more quickly and with less hassle and complication. Why QuickCashToGo.com provides the highest convenience. No payday loan service is more convenient than QuickCashToGo.com. It's simply easy and trouble-free to apply for. The entire process has moved into the digital age and is completed online. That means instead of having to make time to go to an office to apply, you can do it from whatever spot is most convenient for you. Additionally, the loan application and the lenders are both available at all hours of the day and night. There are only a small group of questions on the application, and approvals take only 60 to 90 seconds. Upon approval, you'll receive all the information you need: payment dates and amounts, fees, and terms. Once you accept, using a digital signature so there's nothing to print or fax, the lender will initiate a transfer of funds to your account within the hour. Why QuickCashToGo.com doesn't care about your credit score. Parts of our lives seem to revolve around our credit scores nowadays. Credit ratings used to be something we only had to concern ourselves with when we bought a car or a house or applied for a credit card. Now they seem to have wormed their way into other parts of our lives, as potential landlords, employers, and others begin to access our financial histories as a matter of course. There's a reason why QuickCashToGo.com doesn't do a credit check on loan applications. Credit scores are primarily composed of information that is years old, much of which might be completely irrelevant to whether or not a person is able and willing to repay a loan promptly. Why QuickCashToGo.com might be able to come to your rescue one day. We have all different reasons for needing some quick cash at one time or another. The need might be caused by something unexpected and urgent, such as a high winter utility bill or car repair. It might be both expected and planned for, but not budgeted for, such as the anniversary or birthday of a loved one. There are endless reasons why someone might need cash that they don't have on hand, and especially if imperfect credit makes it impractical to have a credit card or line of credit through a bank. Security is another reason why QuickCashToGo.com is top choice for loans. Applying for a loan online can feel like risky business, especially when the news is full of tales of websites being hacked and information leaked. Be assured, though, that the application form has the highest security and is the reason why QuickCashToGo.com is a site where you can feel perfectly safe entering your personal data. Don't worry that the data will be intercepted. The encryption ensures that it can only be released to the intended recipient. The website protects your sensitive information as closely and carefully as you would yourself. For more information, visit QuickCashToGo.com.